Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a Chrome extension that can make your tabs colorful like rainbow and organize tabs. So let's get started. Firstly, open your browser, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Rainbow Tab Organizer. Open it, click on Add to Chrome, add extension. You will see it will download it. With the help of this, you can customize your browser like rainbow colors like this multicolors. It will complete it. Now open multiple tabs like I'm opening ChatGPT, or you will see it will download successfully. Click on the puzzle icon. It will almost completed. It looks like some network connection error, but now it's completed almost and done. Now click on the extension icon, then mark it as pin, then open extension like this. I will change this color to red, and second slide green, and the third one is changing it to blue. Like you will this, how much tabs you will open, it will automatically colored it. Like if new tab, now I will opening YouTube, will say it will in green, it's automatically. You can organize by there, like if you want to close any tab or pop up in new window, you can do anything. That's it. Now your Chrome browser looks much cleaner and easier to manage. If you found this extension useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.